Welcome back. Tata Power's second quarter revenue was ahead of expectations. Margins did fall a bit, probably on account of higher costs of power purchased. Let's get more details on the fine print of Tata Power. We are joined by Praveer Sinha, Managing Director and CEO of Tata Power. Good morning, Mr. Sinha. Always a pleasure having you with us. Let me start with what's fired very well for you, the Discom business, the distribution business. It's a 26% growth. What more can you tell us about the Discom business? Is it likely to continue? Will you get more Discoms under your charge?
Thank you, Lata, for having me on the show, and always a pleasure to join you. This quarter has been a very good performance, sustained performance, but when you look at it, we have been doing that for the last 4 quarters continuously. Our performance has been good, and consistently we have been showing improvement in profit, and last 2 quarters we have done 10% increase. So consistent performance, I would say, because many of the steps that we had initiated has started showing results, and the divestment has started giving results. So also some of the initiatives on growth that we have taken have also added to the profit and also the revenue of the company. We did take over the central Odisha distribution on 1st of June, and our performance has been very good over there. It's as per the plan, and we have been able to, in fact, improve on that. And going forward, we expect it will further improve as we go into the next few quarters. Similarly, we have bid for the 3 other Discoms in Odisha. We expect the results to come in next 1 month time. Hopefully by end December we'll have the results. And we do expect that we'll be in the reckoning for all 3. So we definitely expect that our footprint in distribution will increase, and we are also looking at opportunities of the Discom privatization that will happen in some of the union territories. The bids for Chandigarh has come, and we are definitely looking at bidding at many of these places as and when the opportunity.
Okay, Mr. Sinha, good morning. The finance costs are down from 1130 crores to 1065 crores. You have, of course, cut your debt by 15%, but that still is a reasonably large number. Your target is to reduce it to 25,000 crores. So, is there some kind of monetization which is in the pipeline?
Absolutely right. The debt numbers have come down, but most of it happened in the middle of the last quarter. So the preference capital, which was taken by Tata Sons, that came in around mid of August. Similarly, some of the money that we received from the shipping business, they came in July and August. So all those are helping us to reduce our debt. And we do expect that once we complete the InvIT, which we expect to happen in next 2 quarters, we'll be very much in line to reduce our debt to 25,000 crore level. So in fact, we may end up doing better than that, and our monetization plans are very much on the path.
Okay, so Mr. Sinha, therefore, what are the finance costs likely to be? Because there is also a secular fall in the cost of money, in cost of capital.
Absolutely right. The interest rates have gone soft, and we have been able to get the benefit of it. And we expect that our finance cost will come down, but the full impact of it will come only in the next financial year. So this year it will primarily be reducing it and bringing it to a level of 25,000, but the full year impact will come in FY22.
Okay. Can you give us some idea of the generation, both revenue as well as margins? Because your Mundra Coal JV hedge has worked very well for you. So both margins and revenues in generation segment.
Yeah, I think our generation business has been doing very well. Mundra has been doing very well, and when we see the cluster of Mundra and coal, we are in positive this quarter. We are 39 crores positive. We were in positive last quarter also. And with the reduction of debt for Mundra from the pref capital that we got, and also the money we got from monetization of the ships, and also the SED money, will be able to ensure that in future also between the coal companies and Mundra, we are profitable. So I think we have overcome the initial challenges that we had with Mundra, and going forward, it should give us much better results.
What is the status of the pass-through of higher coal prices, that resolution that you were seeking from the various regulators?
That still is under discussion, but nonetheless, we have amongst ourselves sorted out with better coal sourcing, lower coal prices globally, and also the debt that has been brought down. So I think within ourselves, we have been able to sort out. If the coal prices goes up, then the resolution will be really required. Otherwise, I think at the present prices of coal, we are good to go and ensure that the plant operates.
Okay. Will you be adding capacity anywhere at all? Is the market ready to buy?
No, we took a stand that we are not going to add any coal capacity. So we have taken it as a part of our long-term initiative that we will become a zero carbon company by 2050. And that is why no new coal capacities will get added. We may add some capacities in gas, and of course, the renewable is the big growth that we are looking at. We are right now at 4.4 gigawatt, 2.6 already operating, and 1.8 which is under implementation. So we will definitely increase it to something like 15 to 20 gigawatt in the next 5 years. That's the plan that we have, and the InvIT that we will implement will help us to go and implement our plan in next 5 years.
Okay. We will leave it. Any fresh PPAs, sir? We haven't heard of the word PPA in a long time. Were you looking for some for Mundra?
Not. We have got PPAs for renewable business. So last quarter also we won 370 megawatt of PPAs, and we expect that now a lot of bids are coming up in next 3 to 4 months, because due to COVID, many of the bids got postponed. So now we expect that in next 3-4 months there will be large number of bids, and we will be aggressively participating.
Okay, Mr. Sinha, we leave it there today. Thanks a lot for joining us. That's Tata Power. Let's focus back to the market. Today's comeback is pharma. Just look at the pharma index. Just pull out the intraday chart of the pharma index, and Aurobindo Pharma, of course, ahead of the numbers, is leading that move up about 4.7%. Also